I'm Christian Ehler. I'm 19 years old. I'm a BBA student at IE University. I started my own company 6 months ago. It's a rental agency in Mallorca for the Nordic market. My strategy to shine in the business world, well, it's first of all to get an education here at IE. Then meanwhile I'm studying, I'm trying to start this company and get a foundation going. And when I graduate, I would love to go into getting an MBA in London or wherever my interests are in the future. It depends, yes and no. I mean, when I'm at conferences like these networking events are super superficial. People respect me in the way that I'm very young and I'm super ambitious. I have my own company and so forth. But however, if I'm not beneficial to them, then they don't care really. So for now, in the networking events, I'm too young, I would say. However, when I started my business, all the owners and clients, they took a chance and yeah, they took the risk and yeah, it's working in my favor, definitely. I would say creativity. What am I doing here? Well, I'm studying. I am enjoying the student bubble we're living in. I mean, in a few years I'll have to go out in the real world. I'm enjoying life as it is now, but to be honest, I'm just preparing myself for the future.